All right, what's going on, tycoons? I'm super excited for today's video. Okay, we are going to be looking at Selfkey. Okay, so this is going to be a basic video on kind of just what is Selfkey. Okay, so you can actually go to their website, selfkey.org. And I'm pretty familiar with them, but I'll read some things off of the website just so people like you guys trying to figure out what it is, can get a basic idea. Okay, so Selfkey is a fast-growing blockchain startup developing digital identity solutions. We empower individuals and corporations to take back ownership of their identity data. All right, and they are advancing individual freedoms and rights. All right, they are building a blockchain-based identity system that allows identity owners to truly own, control, and manage their digital identity. At the very heat of this individual freedom lies control over our personal identity data. However, this information is stored in centralized databases prone to data breaches and security hacks. As technology digitizes the world, outdated paper drive systems cannot be relied upon. Blockchains allow us to build a more private, secure, and transparent identity system that respects our individual freedoms. So, in essence, what all of that just said is Facebook is selling all of your information. Google is selling all of your information. If you're watching this video right now on YouTube, they are selling your information. Okay. So there's ways to get around this. Okay, currently there's like VPNs, which you can use VPNs to try to help this. Okay, but they're looking to do this through the blockchain, and that's one of the big things and emphasis of the blockchain is, and the whole concept of web 3.0, right? Web 2 was basically taken over by social media, right? And companies like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, they're all, there's no privacy. It's all breach of privacy. Okay, all your data is out there. All right, they all have it, and it's very, very valuable. All right. So Selfkey's mission, all right, um which I mean, this basically just repeats everything that we just said up here. All right, so their mission is basically to create a safer world where our personal data and privacy is protected. Okay, they're your friends. All right, and I'm your friend too. So if you already found some value in this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I just started this channel like 2.5 months ago, so show me some love. I'm trying to put you guys on some gems. All right, so let's go ahead and get back into it. They have definitely go on their website and check it out. Okay, they're hiring right now. They're still expanding. They have some very, very good partners. I'm sorry. The Selfkey network consists of the most promising fintech and blockchain startups that are helping us realize the vision of self-sovereign identity. Okay, and self-sovereign identity is kind of basically the whole concept. Okay, so what is self-sovereign identity? Data is one of the most valuable assets in the digital world. Self-sovereign identity puts you back in control of your own personal data for more privacy and protection. Okay. So the way that they do this, right, is they basically the things that Selfkey is bringing to the table, all right, is of course the key token. All right, so you can buy KEY, key, the key token. There's the Selfkey wallet, all right, which we'll go over some of the stuff briefly. There is the Selfkey marketplace, all right, and they have living avatar NFTs. Okay, so I'll be dropping videos on all these subjects. Okay, there's a bunch of big news coming out. All right, Selfkey just had really actually some big news come out. So I got a video drop covering that topic as well. All right. So yeah, let's get back into it. All right. So did you know that your data can be purchased without your permission? Your location, browsing history, purchase history, and financial habits can be bought by the highest bidder. I mean, these are facts. Did you guys know that? That's a really good question. Okay. Current identity management solutions can do little to protect you. They're vulnerable to data breaches and hacks. Take back the ownership of your personal data by using the Selfkey wallet. All right. When you register for a new online account, you're being forced to hand over personal data. It's only a matter of time before those accounts become compromised and malicious actors gain access to your personal information. By using blockchain technology, self-sovereign identity puts you back in control of your personal data. All right. So why should you care about it? You want to protect yourself, regain ownership, and stop oversharing. All right. The internet is forever. And so is your personal data once it's online. Keep your personal information safe and choose when to share it. So you got to realize, like, we went from not knowing what the internet really was with Web 1, right? With just very basic stuff. Then we had Web 2, where we realized, hey, we can expand globally, connect globally. But the flaw in Web 2 is that, everyone's data is forever out there on the internet now. So, everybody that has been putting their data in the past 20, 30 years, it's going to be out there forever now, and so that's part of our generational curse, right? As being the first people to experience and not truly understand the internet. And, we're getting better now. And that's why we're, evolving to Web 3. Okay. And Selfkey is going to be a leader in, future, just basically like identity protection. Okay. So through cryptography and ownership of a blockchain key, you can build up an identity over time that is persistent, immutable, and under your complete control. This allows you to avoid username, password combinations as proof of identity, more easily pass KYC, and gives you the right to be forgotten. All right. And they go over here of basically why self-sovereign identity is important. So to use any application, visit a website, or access a device in the digital world, your first step is authentication. Who are you? Are you really who you claim to be? This is the foundation of all interactions with technology and is deeply flawed when you don't control who you are in a digital world. Your data is getting more concentrated in the hands of a few large institutions. So it's really just, it is just a handful, a few large institutions that, basically have the concentration of the globe's like personal data, like the whole world's personal data. So as your life becomes increasingly digital, the data you create forms a clear construct of who you are. Instead of storing the data on centralized servers that could be at risk for hacks or misuse, we believe there is a better way. You, the identity owner, should own and control your own information. Thank you, Selfkey. Thank you for saying that. I think so too. All right. So they do this using blue blockchain technology. The Selfkey wallet provides an identity platform where you can manage all your own personal info. You'll be able to choose what info you want to share, who gets access to it, and for how long. So this will revolutionize how you interact with the online world while protecting your information and privacy. Welcome to the future of identity, where you are in complete control, where you are self-sovereign. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Okay. Stay tuned. We will be having more updates on these. All right. If you want an update on the price of Selfkey, okay, because I also do charting and technical analysis, and provide, updates, daily, basically, on a lot of my favorite cryptos and stocks that I'm watching. Go ahead and watch this video right here. Okay. I got a video right there, and that will basically be the, the price action video. Okay. And just stay tuned if you like Selfkey, if you like crypto. Okay. I'm posting many, many, many fire projects. Okay. Absolute fire, that you can still be early in on. Okay. The time is now to start investing and, have a long-term mindset. All right. If you're not a trader, don't be a trader and try to have a trader mentality, and don't let like short-term price action take away the feelings and the mindset about a company or a coin or a token that you own, just because it fell 50%, right? What happened was you probably mistimed, and had a little bit of FOMO and saw that maybe, for instance, Selfkey was skyrocketing and everybody else was making money off of it, so you bought in. But a lot of times when you see something skyrocketing and everybody's buying in, it's going to pull back soon, because the initial people that bought in are taking their profits now. And once those people take their profits, it drops. And the people who got in and were looking for to make a quick buck, they're like, well, you know what? This is going down now. I'm going to sell. So that further steamrolls it. And, with crypto, if anybody's using leverage, you can get liquidated, margin called, things like this, so it's all crypto moves in very, very big pushes. And, so don't let 2 months of red, change your opinion on a company that, you're investing for like years in the future. Okay, guys. There's smart ways to do it. I got a lot of good strategies. Okay. Stop losses, things like that. You can definitely check the channel out. All right. So much good info on here. And let me know what other good info you guys need. All right. You need some tutorials. Do you guys want to know about DAOs, like the DAOs, Jade Protocol, Time Wonderland? You know, do you guys want to know about stable coins? Do you guys need to learn about staking some more? Screw all of that. Do you guys just want to know like what coin is finna moon? You know, things like that. All right. If you got, just let me know. All right. Anyways, I'm out. Link to join the Discord is going to be in the description below. Join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, man. Use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and you can get a discount on your membership. And come and make some money with us, okay? You know, I mean, we have 100% trades multiple times a week, okay? And most of the time, I'm done trading by 11 a.m. Eastern time. Start trading 9:30 a.m. And boom, I'm done. Made my money. I'm out and go about my day.